Greetings and salutations YouTube, hope you're doing okay out there. Just a quick video to show you how to remote onto your Raspberry Pi. I've already got a Raspberry Pi quad core set up with its own IP address, so we're just going to quickly putty onto that. I have changed the password for the default Raspberry Pi user, so I recommend you do the same. Now, if you haven't already set up SSH on your Raspberry Pi when you've originally configured it, you can use the sudo raspconfig. Now, under option 8, advanced options, going into option 4 under there, SSH. If it's already enabled, you won't have to do this, but if you haven't, just select enable and you should be good to go. Yes, I know we didn't set that up. Finish that. So once you've set SSH up, you can use putty to jump onto the machine. I'll put a link to the putty website in the links below. Now we're on the Raspberry Pi itself. We need to install XRDP, so that's sudo apt-get install XRDP, just using simply XRDP for this for a quick and easy setup. If you got a single core Raspberry Pi, this may take a little longer, but since we're on the quad core, it shouldn't take too long. And there we go, XRDP is set up on your Raspberry Pi. And let's see if we can get to this from Windows machine. What am I doing? Alright, and we'll log in again. I'll just minimize this because I'm not sure how bad the screen will flicker. So I've changed from Cam Studio to Open Broadcaster software, so hopefully that won't be too bad. And there is a desktop to your Raspberry Pi. Now you're thinking, this is all well and good, but what happens if I want to remote onto my Raspberry Pi from the outside world? You can set up your router to have a static link on it for RDP, that's port 3389, so it'll do port forwarding, and you should be able to remote from outside. If you don't have your own IP address assigned to you from your ISP, you can use a service called No IP. I'll also put a link to that in the description below, and they should give you the instructions on how to set up your Raspberry Pi with the configuration file, so you'll be able to get to it from anywhere, save your DHCP changing from your ISP. Anyway, hope you got something from this. Take it easy, and I'll see you later.